Many users complain that their Twitter app is not loading photos or videos. This problem can happen due to lack of internet, app crash, settings malfunction, and so on. In this video, we will show you how you can fix Twitter app not loading pictures or videos problem on iPhone easily. This problem mainly happens if there is the lack of internet connection. If you have internet but it is slow, then you can also have this issue. Now to fix it, you can turn on the airplane mode, wait a bit, then turn it off. It can fix the issue. Though we don't have cellular data now, but if you have, you can switch to cellular data from Wi-Fi or vice versa to fix this issue. If internet is not the issue, this problem can happen due to some app malfunction. So you can log out of your Twitter app, go to Twitter, tap on your profile, tap settings and privacy, tap your account, tap account information, tap log out, tap log out again. It can fix the issue. Now force close the Twitter app for safety purpose. Now open Twitter again, sign into your account, tap login. Now as you can see, it can fix the issue. If logging out and logging in does not fix the issue, it can happen if there are too much cache and cookies saved on your Twitter app. To fix it, you can offload it. Now to fix this, open settings, tap general, tap iPhone storage, find Twitter, tap on it, tap offload app, again tap offload app, tap reinstall app. It can fix the issue. If your Twitter app is not up to date, it can also cause the problem. So make sure it is up to date. If you're having problem with the Twitter app, you can try using Twitter from the browser. It can fix the issue. Open a browser of your choice, go to twitter.com. Now sign in with your account, tap login, and it can fix the issue. Now if nothing else works, you can delete the Twitter app, then reinstall it. So guys, this is the way you can easily fix Twitter app not loading pictures or videos problem on iPhone. That's it for now. If you have any query on the topic, let us know in the comment below and always stay with our channel. Thank you.